Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two subscriptions or one subscription and one kit that I got. So the kit is from Beauttiful, the subscription is from Daze. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get to it. First I want to show the Beauttiful kit. So this is not a subscription, she releases kits monthly and they vary in theme. But you can order them with paper or without the paper pack. This beautiful one is from June or July, if I'm not mistaken. It's called La Isla, and it's this one has the papers. So let's open it up. Every month she sends in this beautiful plastic envelope sort of container, and they are jam-packed with a few staples and a few different items every month. So this is the nice little envelope that came this time. It has this nice little, abstract kind of pattern in pink or dusty pink. And these are all the goodies that come in it. I've opened a few of them, but I'll show you in details now. So let me just get it. Okay, so the first thing I want to show is the little card that comes with it. It also features on the back the details of the kit, so everything that's in it. And it's really, really nice, sunny kind of vibe to it. So the first item I want to show is this sticky notes, and it's very simple. It's a simple design, but it's very functional, and it has a ton of sticky notes, so I'm really happy with this one. Next item are the flags, transparent flags. So transparent page flags, and it comes in this little acetate or thick plastic card, and you can just punch this. If you have a ring planner, you can just punch this and it will be perfect to go on your planner on your front page, and you always have sticky notes available or page flags available. So these are beautiful colors, and they are semi-transparent. And we're going to test the pen, the VB pen, to see if it works on these ones. Hopefully it will. If not, you can always use a Sharpie permanent pen, or a micro perm also would work. This one is like really, really clear, so this is a perfect kind of tab flag. You can see that. And the back is the same pattern of the envelope, but it's in gold foil. So those are the page flags I'm going to put aside so we can see how that works. The other item that came with this kit is this nice little enamel magnetic charm, and it has this beautiful animal print pattern to it, and it's a big heart. Then you have your pen sleeve, so you can put your VB pens here or any pen that you have, and you have something on the go. This has a little bit of a dust on it, I don't know what that is, but the backing is this pattern here, and it's a monstera leaf with greens and dusty mauve or dusty pink, and it's really, really nice. Next I want to show the dangle paper clips. So I got the noise. You have two this time around. You have these tortoise shell kind of design with black, and you have the monstera leaf in pearlescent white, which is really nice, and gold hardware. I really like this hexagon here. So those are the dangling pins. Something else that you got this time is the little sticker album. These fit the mini sheets perfectly. I think Tiffany also has her own line of Thrifty Thursday, she calls it, so they're, you know, $2 Tuesday kind of situation. And they would fit perfectly here as well. So you have around about 10 sleeves. It's not a big album, it's just a little mini on-the-go album. And the pattern, again, the Monstera leaf with this beautiful pink color. Next, I want to show the paper pack. So you always have four papers, and you have 2 vellums. So the first vellum is this nice little terracotta kind of vibe. The second vellum is the same pattern of the pen sleeve, but in a vellum, and it's really, really pretty. Then you have your papers. So these, they come folded, and this is the front, this is the back, front and back. And finally the last one, front and back. So once you purchase a kit, you will also receive digitals. So you receive digital patterns and digital icons, so you can use that to increase the amount of things you do with your kit. So those are the papers. Finally, she has the sticker book, so she always sends a sticker book. On the back you can see all of the pages that are on the sticker book, and there's also this mini deco sheet, and this is on a green foil, if you can see the green foil there. There you go. And this is the sticker book. So you have your 9 full boxes, more functional pages, and they all have the same green foil. It's a very dark green, which is a good thing. It doesn't pop on your face too much. Then some headers, the deco sheet, finally your date covers, and then flags, and finally the last page is always a Hobonichi size kit. This, it can show better the foil for you. It's a oil slick kind of green foil, so depending on the light it changes colors. That is the kit, the sticker book. You also receive 2 washi tapes. Usually she does clear washi tapes, and this is the 10mm or 6mm. This is not perforated as far as I know. No, it's not perforated. So this is the design. It's like little waves. God, I'm so terrible at this. There you go. And it's a beautiful matte pink kind of color, or matte, I don't know what color this is, but it's, I haven't seen this color before and I absolutely love it. And the big, the 15mm one is a Monstera leaf sunshine kind of abstract pattern. And there you go. You can see it better like that. Finally, the star of the show is always the VB pen. So it comes on this nice little plastic box. This is the pen this time around. This is the pen this time, so it is a beautiful black or greenish oil slick barrel. I'm not sure the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's absolutely amazing. And this is the barrel. So you have the crystals here. There's some sort of shade of sand color with the greenish dark green or military green, and the barrel, the hardware is pink. And it's a really, really pretty pen. And finally, you get also your ink refill. So they seem to write really they seem to go really quick. The ink gel usually goes quicker than a ball pen, for example, and that's why you get a refill. So, oh, look at that barrel. You can actually really see it. It's beautiful. So, you take the little cap off, and let's write it down. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Let's wait for it to dry a little bit. I don't think this pen would write, or would the ink would stick on these sticky notes. So let's make a trial out, because it's really wet, so it's sort of really wet ink. Okay, so yeah, it won't stay at all. So definitely use a microperm pen or a Sharpie for these, but they are adorable. It's a shame that it doesn't write, but oh well. That's your tiny, tiny little flag. And that is all from Beauttiful. Let's move to Rose Colored Daze. Okay, so the next item is my subscription box from my overlay subscription from Rose Colored Daze. So if you love overlay just as much as I do, you can always get it with a few shops, and Rose Colored Daze is one of my favorites. So you have this beautiful shattered glass hollow kind of acetate card, I'd say. And then you have the monthly one. She always sends both, so one that matches the theme and one that has the calendar with some sort of decoration. Finally, you get also two clear sticker sheets, one with headers or random decoration, and these are waves. And then you have the palm trees in this green foil. And you always get a ton of tapes. So you have two full boxes tapes, one bottom washi, one 15mm, and two headers. So these are perforated. This is perforated. This is not perforated. And these are perforated. So let me open these up and I'll show you the designs. So this is the blue one, and it is a perforated header. Definitely not my style. I will be destashing these. Good. But they are perforated on the 1.5 inch. And you have this pretty little pattern of waves here. So, sorry, it should be this way. Yeah, little waves, and that's what it looks when you tear it out. Next design is the palm trees in hollow, or palm leaves in hollow. And I am not a hollow girl, so you know what's happening with this one, for sure. Right. This is the design. So the design should be, let me cut this out. Okay. So when you put it on your header, it will make just the little decoration on the sides. Let me see if I have a header here to show. Don't mind the mess. So what you do, you put it down, and that is the perfect size to make it sparkly, but like frame the header, which is really, really nice. So that is your design, and I actually might keep this one because I'm impressed. This is nice. Now we move to the 15mm. So this is the 15mm, and it's the only one that is not perforated. I think I'm doing this wrong again. This is the design, again in silver. This is silver foil actually, or hollow. This is hollow. And it's really nice. So this is the only one that comes in the sets that is not perforated, but you can live with it. Then you have the bottom washi. The bottom washi one has two different perforations. So it has the perforation for the big washi, big strip of washi, and the smaller one. So both sides of the spread. And this is the pattern. So it's this leaves, or whatchamacallit, palm trees. So there you go. That is nice, isn't it? It's really cute. It's a shame because I don't like hollow, but oh well. So that's the 15. And then you have your two full boxes. So one full box roll always is a frame kind of roll, which is this one that I'm about to show you. So it's just a frame for your full boxes in different foil colors. She usually uses the bold foil for the frames, and she uses the hollow or regular or main foil from the subscription on the other full boxes, the ones that have the design. And I'm really struggling here, but that's okay. So the frames are always the same. So that's the blue, ocean blue, and they're really pretty, but again, it's not my style. I don't see myself using this. And finally, you have the design or the pattern one with all of the pretty designs that she thinks it's suitable for the theme of that month. So let's find the end. It's here, right? Yeah, it's here somewhere. There we go. I struggle, guys. I really do. Again, it's rolling the other side. Okay, so you have four different patterns. So you have the ocean, the hammock, the way, and then back to the island. So these are the designs. Let me pull this out for you. Okay. So the first one, really not focusing today, is it? Okay, the first one is the little pathway, the second one is the island, third one the hammock, and then you go back to the pathway again. So pathway, hammock, and little island, and all in hollow. So that is the final big monthly subscription. The next one for August is absolutely beautiful. It's going to be this matte gold and matte silver, and I'm so excited about it because those are my colors, and it's a very dreamy one. So that is all for this haul. I appreciate you watching it through the end if you did, and if you did not, thank you anyway. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll make sure to answer them as quick as possible. And all shops will be tagged on the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye.